it's a first of its kind. Like he shouted me out in that San Diego show. He actually shouted me out and said, "Yo, I got a record with Mr. Show, pick that up." I mean, he didn't have to do that, but that just shows me that it's not just whatever to him. It's something that he likes, something that he appreciate what we did for it.
People going, whoa.
Yeah, I mean, everyone's embracing it, and then everybody's been telling me that it's like a breath of fresh air, something that needed to be done to bridge the gap. Um, Radio stations, news stations here in San Diego. There's four news stations that want to interview me because of the magnitude of this record. They reached out to me and they were like, "Man, San Diego's so proud. We would like to get you in the studio for a live interview." And it went from two to four, and then now we got four news stations wanting to interview me. I mean, everybody's just like, "Wow, is this really happening?" Because it really never happened. Like you said, it's a first of its kind, authentic, and everybody's playing their part. But he keeps reposting my stuff, and people are catching on to it. And they're like, "Man, there should be more unity. There should be more black and brown work." And I mean, we're stronger in numbers, man. So I love to see that everybody's running with it and loving the fact that we got a homie from a neighborhood, and we got the Ice Cube, one of the biggest artists in the world, um, who came from a hood, and that's why this thing is called certified G's, because cocaine is certified. Cube is certified. I'm certified. I mean, anybody can be certified as long as they're authentic with their craft.